Good morning, students. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, and as you know, I'm teaching you Information Technology course code 402. So, in today's chapter, I would be covering up setup page breaks. Why is page break is required before you take printout of your soft copy? Why it is required to adjust rows and columns, how you can add page break, how you can remove page break, and how you can reset all the previous settings that you have done in page breaks to come to the normal state of printing. So these topic I would be covering up in today's topic. Please stay tuned with me. Thank you.
I hope you have all gone through my previous session of spreadsheet till session 3. So in session 4, as I said, we will discuss this small micro topic which is on set page break. Now what is page break? Normally page break is used while taking printout or the hard copy from a printer when we require our spreadsheet to be displayed in a hard copy. So what page break does is it breaks your worksheet into individual pages for printing. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let me minimize this screen, and I have already opened a spreadsheet of student database. It's as you have seen this database before. So if you have noticed that the number of columns present here is going out of my laptop screen. If I scroll my mouse from left side to right side, so till column W we have student data, and these all data are mandatory. So if you need to have a hard copy of this Excel sheet, you need to adjust the column. You can minimize the column so that it comes in a one page. But if you check the preview of this worksheet, then in portrait view, you can see that in order to take printout, I need to print 188 pages to take the entire screen hard copy of this record, which is really a tedious job because I'm seeing here my preview shows that till father's name it is showing in one page. If I change the orientation to landscape, still I'm seeing few records which is missing in this particular area. We set that page break into two types. One is automatic and the other one is manual. Let me show you how. If you look at the bottom part, that is a status bar of my worksheet, we are seeing the normal view of this worksheet. If I click over here, this is the page break preview. Or the second option is from home tab, you move on to view tab, and under workbook views, you can click on page break preview. So this is the full screen of the column till column W. My record is already present. Now as I said that page break view is of two types. If you notice this screen, you might have noticed two types of lines. One is dotted lines and the second one is blue line, which is a full line. So this dotted line is a manual page break where you can adjust column width and row width in order to adjust or take a printout of the entire sheet. If I increase this column till W, you might have noticed the size of the font has reduced. So in order to take the entire worksheet of A4 size, it will print as preview that you are seeing in this particular font size, which is very small. So you have two choices: either you remove unwanted records which is not necessary for you, so that you can have the entire preview of the column in a single A4 sheet of page. Let me check if it is A4 sheet. Yes, it is A4 sheet of page. So if you insert A4 sheet in a printer, you would easily able to take a printout, but you need to adjust uh, or remove extra field from here. So let me remove it now, which is not required for me. So let me remove few columns. Let's say I'm removing this one, and I also do not require these extra data because it is not at all required. One phone number is enough, and also as of now these data is not mandatory because I need basic record of a student which I already got in this particular page. So if I click on preview, now you can see this particular view is more readable compared to the last view. So this is how, if you want, you can adjust the width of the column, and accordingly, once you are okay, you can go ahead and take a printout of this A4 size of sheet. Now in order to make some changes, like I showed you adding page breaks, where I have adjust column width by dragging the portion of the column to which area I need to take printout. So I can also adjust a row height by dragging it to the bottom part. This is how you can add page breaks. The other option is right click or select the area for which you want to take the page break, right click on it and click on insert page break. Once you see this yellow line, you can adjust row, and if you want a column, if you want to add column page break, so select the column and click on insert page break. So this is how you can add page break. If you want to remove or delete, once again you right click on it and click on remove page break. So this is how you can add and delete page break. And if none of the option you need, or up till now whatever operation you did for page break, you just right click on it and click on reset all page breaks. So once you reset, it will reset the entire page break. As you can see, now this dotted line is visible, and also this blue line was visible, which was initially shown when I click on page break preview. So this one is manual page break, and this line is for automatic page break, which will take the entire uh, worksheet, and this one is for auto adjusting the width and the height of the worksheet. Now in order to make sure whether this page break is in normal view or not, what you can do is go to File, then click on Option, then click on Advanced, and you scroll down at the bottom and you will notice display option for this worksheet. Let me check it out. Okay, I got it. Display option for this worksheet, and if I check it here, it is already active, but it is not highlighted because my checkbox is already on. Also, for moving a page break, as you remember, I was moving this page break from right left to right hand side, so this was also enabled. In order to make sure, once again go to File, click on Option. Now this time you need to check Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop, because I was dragging and dropping. So once again you click on Advanced option, and you need to check Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop should be checked, which is already is, and it will also give an alert before overwriting the cell. So my both the option was already checked, and that is why it was allowing me to move page break, and also it was allowing me to add page break, insert page break. All right, so that is it for today. I hope that it is easy to do that operations of page break, but if you find any difficulty in understanding this micro topic, do contact me and clear your doubt. And in tomorrow's chapter, I would be covering up session number 5, which is on set page layout. So where we will discuss about how to set page layout before taking a printout of a soft copy by using different type of margin. So what are those? I will be discussing in the next video. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, student.